How to change your address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your address on Amazon, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Amazon shopping app, and then just make sure that you are signed in to your account. And once you are signed into your account, tap the profile icon from the bottom of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom, you're going to come to the Your Account page, from where you can just tap the Your Account option here. After you come to Your Account, from here you can just scroll down, look for the option called Your Addresses, as you would be able to find it, and then just tap the Your Addresses option. As you tap on the Your Addresses option here, you can just go ahead and select an address that you would like to edit by tapping the Edit option here and then setting them as a default or whatever else it is that you prefer. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically change your address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.